Okay, hi, I'm here again. Today's Saturday, but I'm recording this that it was yesterday, Friday. And well, I wanna do a reflection about this week. I'm happy because um, I think I improved a lot. I think I'm trading much better. I'm confirming more my trades and everything. And waiting if I don't have to trade, and well, I'm being patient. But yesterday, Friday, I committed some mistakes here. Um, I started the week with $1,000 in profit. I arrived to 3,400 more or less. And yesterday I was 2,000 in profit, so 1,000 in 1 week, which is really nice. And well, and here I committed some mistakes. I didn't wanted to trade. I traded here. I had a stop loss, and then I tried to enter 3 times more. Um, I think it's more or less confirmed, but no, not really. This one was the nicest one. It was logical. I went to sleep, so I thought about taking some partials, and I didn't do it, which would have been nice, like having some partial, some profit, and ending the week like that. And then I looked for a sell for sells here, which I knew um, if I lost, I would feel bad because I was up 2,000 something at the end of the week, and I ended with 1,100, which is only 100 of profit, which is good, but not. I don't feel good because I was sure I was only going to trade 1 time, and if I had a stop loss, I didn't want to trade anymore. But I did it, and 3 times in a row, and 3 stop losses, and not really a strong confirmation here. For example, no engulfing candle. Here maybe yes. Here maybe this pattern, but I was conscious that if I had stop losses, I would feel bad, and yes, I feel bad about that. So if you have to feel bad about something, you don't have to trade it, because I prefer to go to start the weekend like happy and being comfortable about my profits and everything, and now I feel bad more or less. So well, I have to improve this. Well, these mistakes, which are like mental mistakes more than trading mistakes, or psychological mistakes. But well, the day was pretty good. My main target for the day was here, but for example, here we took this high, and well, we can say the point that took this high was this one or this one. As you can see, we took this one. Yeah, this lows. So well, it's okay. Uh, well, first of all, I had a stop loss here, looking for the sell to here. But after taking all this liquidity, maybe it was not the best option, but it was confirmed, so I'm happy with that. Then I wanted to sell here, and as you can see, this pattern is the same that we have here. Here is exactly the same, so that's why I sold here again. Maybe this one was the worst one. I saw this and I remembered this, and I said, well, it looks good to me. This morning I didn't take this trade because I wasn't sure about this reaction. Maybe I could have tried, but after this stop loss I wasn't sure. And here I wasn't looking at the chart, which could have been an opportunity to trade, but well, I wasn't focused, so I didn't trade it, and that's okay. And then and then I had another stop loss here, looking for the buy, which, well, it was not that confirmed because, well, yes, I entered here, really, opa, here. I had this stop loss, and well, it went down. I have to study this a little bit better because it really didn't take the low, and well, and then it went up to this objective, to this target. I would have targeted here, but well, it went all the way up. So you can see the trend line working perfectly. That's why I entered here too. But well, it is what it is. Not the best Friday, but yeah, but it was a good week, so I'm happy. And then Nasdaq, I opened the trade here, looking to take this, which was H1 relevant liquidity. I took partials here, and then we hit a break even. It took the relevant liquidity up, and then it went down. I could have traded this, but I wasn't sure about to sell, and I didn't do it. So, well, that's it. That's, as you can see, I'm not happy at all. I could have done it better, but well, I have to learn from my mistakes here. And here, well, we had this downtrend. I was expecting some liquidity take to the upside, and I didn't do it. So, well, it's okay. I had profit. So if I have a profit, I'm happy. And this is it. Let's try to improve these psychological mistakes for next week, and well, and, and trust the process, and just like I feel bad because I talked to Judith, and I said that this is not gambling, and I trust it. I believe it's not gambling 100% if you understand what are you doing. But those three stop losses bother me, or like fuck me more, because of that discussion that we had, like a good discussion. We talked and everything, but I don't want to commit. I don't want to make these mistakes, because I feel bad later on. I feel bad later on, and this is something that I have to improve. But well, it is what it is. I'm gonna try to improve, and it depends on me, so I have no problem. And well, see you on Monday.